Hi, I'm Dr. Stevie, and I want to share information about a really important topic, feelings, and how feelings really influence a lot of what we're doing. And this is more of like a foundational video to start the conversation about what feelings are and how they influence us, how they might not influence us, what we should do with them, or how can we in a healthy way, work on our feelings or use them to our potential. So this is a conversation to establish the foundation about what are feelings. And it's really important to know emotions, feelings are a subconscious, irrational experience. It is completely not within our conscious mind. Our brain does a bunch of different things that we don't even think about. But when it comes to emotions, emotions are not within our control. And that is really the most important thing before you do any emotional work or, working on anger or relationships, is to really know that those feelings aren't within your control. They just happen. And it's when we try to control them or pretend that they're not there that we really see the problems. Now, what I mean is they're not within your control. We can control what environment we are in, and we can control what happens when we have the feeling. But when it comes to emotions, they happen inside our brain without our knowing. And you can see it because when you do have feelings, we get a physical response. All of that is completely subconscious. We don't intentionally say, well, this thing is making me angry and therefore you get angered. No, you're in a situation and you get angry. And I'm going to equate having feelings and the emotional experience to our digestive system. Let me explain. Okay, so our digestive system is we put food in our body, stuff happens without our thinking, and then it comes out of our body. We can control what we put in our body, and we can control somewhat what happens when it leaves our body. We can control some of the timing and place, but whether or not we do need to go and what happens between the eating and coming out, we have no control over it. Our brain doesn't say, let's think about digesting all of our food so we can have its nutrients to best live our lives. No, it happens without us knowing. And that is similar to how we are with feelings. You will be in a situation, something will happen. That is the environment that you have some control over. Then you notice that then you have feelings, and feelings come out. It's a physical experience, okay? It's coming out of us. You have control over what you do with it. Do I yell at this person? Do I go hide in the other room? Can I push them back and deal with them later? All of that you do have control over. But the actual feelings that come out, you have no control. That is like the digestive process. What happens, what feelings you have no control over that. And a lot of the problem comes is you will have an experience, you'll go experience something, go to work, interact with friends, whatever it is, and emotions come up, and then we are like, whoa, why did we have those? I shouldn't feel that way, or I should feel that way, or I should go do something, all these shoulds. And it influences our behavior because we blame ourselves. It's like this conscious thing that we made these feelings happen. No, it's a subconscious thing like our digestive system. When you eat food and then you have to go to the bathroom, or if you drink a bunch of water, which I do here, and then have to go to the bathroom, you're not mad at yourself like, ugh, why do I have to go to the bathroom? It kind of makes sense after a while, where you put all this water in your body and then eventually it comes out, and hopefully you have enough time to go do so, or you're in pain for the rest of the day. But you don't get mad that you have to go. It's, okay, I now have to go, and now I have to deal with it. So emotions are more like that, where you can control the environment, but that you have an emotion, you have no control over that. It's what you do with it that matters. So that is a very important first step in working with emotions, is one, we do not have control over what we feel. We have control over what we do with it. We have some control over the environment that we are in, but we do not have control over what we feel. That is a subconscious experience. Okay. And hopefully that understands, and we'll build on with it from there. However, feelings are subconscious. And next we'll talk about how feelings are irrational. Thank you.